Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Letter to the editor. So these type of letter, basically what are the format of this letter, and how can you write it, and these letter are also included in 10th board exam. So that's why I included in my lecture. So part of a letter. What is the basic part of a letter? Most of the time people write a letter to the editor to highlight an issue or problem which prevails in the society. These kind of letter mostly have 7 parts. These 7 parts are following. So what is the first? The heading. Write the sender, who is sending the letter, address and date at the left side. In this section, a few things have to be kept in mind. So, what are these steps you need to know when you are writing a heading? So, the first thing is comma. So, where we use this comma? After address, use comma. So, this thing has been clear. After address, you will use comma. After city name, you will use full stop. So this is full stop. And the third thing is that date must be written in this way: 18th, or it can be any. If there is two dates, so you will write it second, 2 and D. So in this way you will write your date 8th April 2024, and in the last you not need to write a full stop over here. After year, you need to you don't need to put any full stop over here after year. Okay, so this is the right way to address the write the address of sender. So now we will see. So look at this. This is the way by which you will write your address. Sender address. Okay, so where were you at that time? You will be in examination hall. So you will not write your own home address. You will just write examination hall. City, so you will not going to write the name of your city, that would be ABC. And the third, 23rd, the third thing is that the date would be here like 23rd and May. After that you will use comma, okay, comma over here, and then you will write it down the year, and you not there is no need to write the full stop over here as I said before. So these are some specific things which you keep in your mind when you are writing the heading. Okay, so what is next? The editor address. That is the second heading. That is the second thing which you need to know. Editor address. So who is editor? Editor is the receiver, the recipient of your letter. So in this part, the editor address would also be also be on the left side of the letter, but leave one line before writing in first and in second line comma, and after write city ABC, then full stop. So now we will see, this is the editor address would be in this editor address, then comma, you can see that. So you will write the whole address in this way. It's a little bigger, so we will choose the smaller one. Okay, so the editor would be the first comma, and then you will use the nation. So the nation is the name of the newspaper. If in your question the board is mention the is any other newspaper like Dawn or something like Jung newspaper, then you have to write over here the Dawn newspaper. So you don't need to write the nation, that is the name of the newspaper. After that city ABC, and then full stop. So comma, and the second line comma, and in the third line full stop. So these comma and these full stop has, all of these have marks, or 0.5 marks of each comma and full stop. So you should focus on all these things. After that, the subject. So the subject is also very important. In this is the very important portion of your letter, in which the subject of the letter has been written in the short form. It is also a technique to write just the issue which is going to be discussed, that will be written after the editor address. So I will show you later. Subject, like you will write this, that if the letter is about the begging, so you will in your subject you will write that the elimination of begging or something like this. So I will show you the subject as well. After that, salutation. Salutation is also a very important part, in which you like address the sender. Standard words that are used to address the person being written to. They are, which are these salutations word? These are dear sir, dear madam, respected sir, and respected madam, or dear ma'am. Most of the students write this dear ma'am in just M, A, and M. So this is the right spelling of ma'am. So keep this thing in your mind. Now this you will follow this thing. This is the ma'am spelling. So body of the letter. So body of the letter is also very important, by which you will convey your message, by which you will tell the problem, and this portion should be grammatically correct. There is a specific style of writing a letter which begins with a few lines of introduction. Then the issue is discussed in detail. After that, the solution to the problem is presented. However, it is important to exclude irrelevant detail. The body should consist of 3 paragraphs and each paragraph should be brief. So the paragraph should be 3, but they should be brief, they should be shortened. After body, you will write your conclusion, subscription. The letter is concluded by these words: yours truly, yours sincerely. So these are two important um, conclusion word which we use for formal writing. Truly. Okay, so one thing which you need to know, yours. So most of the students do this mistake, that they will write over here, they will put a comma apostrophe after r. So do not um write or place the comma over here between r and s. They would be yours, simply yours or truly, and yours sincerely. So that was the conclusion. Now come towards the writer name. In this letter, you are not going to write your name in your letter. In the examination letter, the writer of the letter does not write her name, rather only writes XYZ. Below is the right way to write the conclusion and write name. So this is the proper way to write your name. Yours truly, comma, and then you will write X, Y, and Z with full stop. So that's all. That are 7 points, and you have to keep in your mind all of these. Now there is a letter. So write a letter to the editor of the newspaper regarding begging on the road signal that came in the board exam 2022. Okay, so the letter start in this way. In the first line, you are not supposed to draw a line under these words, but for just your understanding, I put the line over here so you can easily understand. Okay, so first thing first is that examination hall, comma, and then city ABC full stop, and then 23rd May 2022. There is no need to full stop over here. I mentioned it. And then you will leave one line. That is very important. You will leave one line and then you will write the editor and then again comma, then the nation. The nation is the newspaper name, so you have to write any of the newspaper which is mentioned in your question. The nation, comma, and then city A, B, C, and then full stop. So in your when I was reading that format, so there was mentioned a subject. So subject is, what was the subject of this letter? Regarding begging on the road signal. So in this way you will write your subject. After that, after leaving this one line, then you will write the sir, and then again comma, and then you will start with another line, but you will give this distance, this kind of distance you will left. This distance is very important when you will writing a letter. And this is the first paragraph, and after that there must be two or three paragraph in your letter. So in this way your letter has been completed. Now I will show the ending, conclusion of the letter. After that you will leave a line empty over here, and then yours write the conclusion, yours truly, comma, and then X full stop, Y full stop, and Z full stop. In this way you will complete your letter. There are lot of more letter, like there is another, write a letter to the district health officer about unsanitary condition in your locality. So there are a lot of other subject uh, which are available on my blog, so you can go there. I will share my link with you. In this way you can copy and you can learn the letter. Okay, thank you so much.